Ka Sarkar Jala Kalabatha ya Barok ki Deputy Commissioner Kunthop ya ka West Karu Hills ban khat penlong ya ka jingelang bat kinongelam shnong bat kintu ban penne ya ka sukka san hadin ka jingeki ka bakhanglat ya UMLA barim ba untep kerteng na ka benta ka election Hagaru Hills Autonomous District Council GHATC ka banlong hakash potrik ya yong. U Commissioner and Secretary Bakmi Yakatanat Home and District Council Affairs DCA uba Cyril Ding do ula ong ba on sabu shu yakibor pahara ban penthikna baka jing penlong yak election GHATC kanlong kabayait bet yarinti. Pila yo sngo yak jing jaman ta kasngi. Kunta niladon ka jingalang bisharkam bat ki DC Kunthop DC Katura. Nila batha ya ki DC bakin khot ya baro ki nongelam jung ki chat bin riu bat ban pelong ya ki jingelang jung ka peace committee bat ban kintu nakabenta ban penne ya ka jingsuk ong uba Cyril habakran shakilat thai ko bor hak kendai trek ber. Upintip ba superintendent of police ka West Karu Hills ulapan shu eki bor pahra bat ka jingpen kre halor kani kadang ya shakman. Ngin pa shu eki bor pahara kular uba Cyril da ka bapentik naru halor ka jingmudui kam beman hakabaya day bat ka jinghang lat ki balajia hak step jong ka kendai trek leber. Uway na ki kertong ulalet ban thep kerteng hagapor kum bashpo bajim stem bat uni ubri ula syak hanglan ula ong haba benrap ba deputy commissioner unsa IT ya ka kai phot ka babnya halor ka ei ka balajia. Habakali halor ka hukum bayadei berkajingdon kam ya kasernat scheduled tribe na kabentak election GHATC uba Cyril ulaong bakani ka kam kalalet siya kaying kashri high court bat nakalyang ka sorkar kadang ap ya ka rai jongka. Kajing tap kerteng kalapli haka kendai trek leber na duka Porsche po bejamin stamp haduk lai bejajan miet bat kan kot haka kat nreo trek leber kat ba kajing bishari hikot kisla kan long haka kat nyo trek leber. Ompat syam na don ki kertong ki banwan thep kerteng hakas ningkong namar ki party ki lawan shim tangye ki form hadin ka jingalang pensyai haka kerdan DC. Kam don ka nuo ko jingtmu ban penjalan ngidang bishar benya ya ka jinglong jingman ngidang ap ya ki kaipan ngin sapen da ka babishar ya ka jinglong jingman ban rap u commissioner and secretary.
The force requirements and SPs have asked for little more force. So accordingly, we will be making those projections. DGP also is appraised of the matter, and more forces will be sent.
So how is the situation? I mean, as the incident itself is, we can tell us what happened.
I think you are aware that one of the candidates went to file the nomination. Person went at about 10 a.m. or something, and the person was prevented from filing the nomination. So this is what has happened. And then this report the DC gave us, we have asked the DC to give us a detailed report as to what exactly transpired.
Was he appointed?
There was some reports, yes. This matter now has gone to the Honorable High Court. It is under the adjudication of the Honorable High Court. This matter has been taken up in the Honorable High Court. So we are waiting that decision.
Will you be giving more dates for the filing nomination today?
So today was the first day. The notification, as you know, has come out today. As per the notification, today is the first day of filing nominations. That is between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. And the last date of filing nomination is 16th of March, that is next Monday, till 3 p.m.
So how many files today?
Today, none. No candidates have filed. Many, in fact, today have taken the forms, etc. Many of the DCs have had meetings with political parties, etc. and given them the copies of the nomination forms, etc. And all those other things, other processes have happened today.
So there is no plan to postpone the elections.
No, we are assessing the situation. There is no plan as such. You know. So we are looking at it. There is no plan. Situation is being assessed. We are waiting for reports, etc. We will see as the situation unfolds.